In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up organizations in Zendesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an organization, add an email domain to it, and understand why that matters for keeping your users and tickets neatly organized. First, open Zendesk Support and look to the sidebar on the left. Find the organization's icon. It looks like a small building. This is your hub for grouping users and tracking activity by company, department, or any logical group you manage. Once you're in the organizations area, click Add Organization at the top left. This opens a new record where you can define the basics. Start by entering the organization name. Use a clear, recognizable name that matches how your team talks about the customer or group. Consistent naming helps agents find the right organization quickly and avoids duplicates later. Next, add the organization's email domain. In the Domains field, type the company's email domain, such as companydomain.com, without the @ symbol. This is a powerful feature. When you add a domain, Zendesk will automatically associate any new user who signs up or is created with an email address at that domain to this organization. That means less manual user management for your team and more accurate reporting tied to the right organization. Before you move on, double-check the spelling of the domain. A typo can cause users to land in the wrong place or not be added at all. Also, only use domains the company actually controls. Avoid adding generic public domains like gmail.com or outlook.com because that could unintentionally scoop up unrelated users. If the company uses multiple owned domains, consider which one is primary for your workflow so your auto assignment behaves as expected. When everything looks correct, click Save. The organization is now created, and the domain rule takes effect immediately for new users. From this point forward, as new users sign in or are created with that email domain, Zendesk will automatically place them into the right organization, helping your agents see company context at a glance and streamlining ticket routing and reporting. That's the complete setup for creating an organization manually and enabling domain-based user assignment. Keeping your organization names consistent and your domains accurate will pay off in cleaner data, faster agent work, and clearer insights. If you ever need to refine details later, you can return to this organization and make updates without disrupting your existing tickets.